One of the biggest supporters of foldable smartphones on the market is Samsung. After introducing the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in August 2021, Samsung has returned with a premium folding phone as a replacement, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But is this upgrade reasonable enough? Well, there is a breakdown to help you figure out. Is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 same as Fold 3? Don't switch yet. You might be faced with a difficult choice if you're just starting to consider foldable phones, but if you have your heart set on the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 4, or alternatively, you are thinking about choosing the more dated but nonetheless amazing Galaxy Fold 3? Given that both phones are excellent, there is no wrong answer. Let's get right into the phone you should consider to help you relieve the decision-making burden.
Let's go!
Price. As always, a product's price tells you a lot about it, and the Z Fold 4 is among the most expensive smartphones available right now.
Oh man!
This is to be expected for such a large foldable. The price ranges from a hefty $1,799.99 for the 256GB model to for $1,919.99, the 1TB variant. The Fold 3 cost $1,799 for the 256GB model, moving up to $1,899 for 512GB. Given the entire cost of the Z Fold 4, it's only a minor increase, but it's still an increase. Don't let the price be the only thing influencing your decision right now. Stay with us and let's find out more. Camera.
Take the picture, take the picture, take the picture!
Samsung has provided a more pixel-packed 50MP wide sensor, combined with a 10MP telephoto and a 12MP ultra-wide in the Galaxy Z Fold 4, while the Galaxy Fold 3 offers a triple 12MP camera system. Not only is the primary sensor sharper than before, but it also lets in 23% more light. The main camera is anticipated to perform far better in low light than the Galaxy Fold 3 counterpart because of the improved OIS and VBIS. Although the telephoto lens on the Z Fold 4 sounds inferior in comparison to the Fold 3, it actually has a significantly better 3x zoom length.
Awesome!
In terms of selfie cameras, both phones have 10MP cover display cameras and 4MP under-display cameras that appear to be identical. But in all, there are signs of real progress in the Z Fold 4. Join us by subscribing to our channel for more tech tips, reviews, and exclusive tech content. Display. Both phones have two displays, a 6.2-inch cover display and a 7.6-inch flexible internal screen. AMOLED displays with 120Hz refresh rates are all crisp as ever. Their tiny difference is in the aspect ratio. A 3mm bigger main display on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 provides for a purportedly more functional canvas. Accordingly, the Galaxy Z Fold 4's resolution is 2176 by 1812, while the Galaxy Fold 3's resolution is 2208 by 1768. The Fold 4's larger screen has been optimized for applications like Outlook, Office, Teams, Facebook, and Google Meet, with additional UI components cropped in some cases. Besides the optimized applications included, you can choose from various colors when buying. Moving on in the video, we will present the colors each foldable comes in. The 6.2-inch exterior display of the latest foldable is oddly slightly sharper while being the exact same size as the one from before with a 2316 by 904 resolution, unlike the 2268 by 800 and 32 resolution on the Galaxy Fold 3. Battery. Here it is a bummer to know that Samsung made no attempt to boost the Galaxy Z Fold 4's battery capacity. The 4,400 mAh battery is still the same as that of the Galaxy Fold 3, and that's quite excessive for a flagship device that has to power a massive 7.6-inch display. With heavy usage on the Galaxy Fold 3, you might find yourself reaching for the fast charger or a Qi wireless charger before it completely runs down. However, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 can improve because of its more effective CPU, even though Samsung hasn't altered anything about charging. Both devices have a 25 watts charging capability, which is incredibly low compared to some standard flagships' 67 watts, 80 watts, and 150 watts charging capabilities. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a slight edge over the Fold 3 in that it supports 15 watts wireless charging as opposed to the latter's 11 watts design. So what do you actually receive for the extra cash on the Z Fold 4? The Z Fold 4 isn't significantly different from the Fold 3. At first sight, you might find it difficult to notice a difference, but there are some subtle but significant changes for the Z Fold 4. The first thing to note is that the two screens on both foldable phones have the same diagonal measurement, 6.2 inches on the outside and 6.7 inches within, respectively. When unfolded, the Z Fold 4 is slightly shorter and thinner than the Galaxy Fold 3 at 158.2 by 128.1 by 6.4 millimeters. Although 0.1 millimeters may not seem like a substantial difference in thickness, when the devices are closed, it becomes more apparent. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is 14.2 to 15.8 millimeters thick, while the Galaxy Fold 3 is 14.4 to 16 millimeters thick, thanks to Samsung's revised design. The hinge is also now smaller and tougher, but is able to withstand about 200,000 folds. Unfolds before failing, Samsung says. In addition, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 weighs 8 grams, less of 263 grams than the Fold 3's 271 grams. Samsung has modified its color selection slightly as usual. You can choose from gray, green, beige, and phantom black for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And on the other hand, the Galaxy Fold 3 is available in phantom green, phantom silver, and phantom black. Additionally, both foldables are compatible with the same S Pen Fold Edition stylus, but neither has enough room to hold the pen, although it was once rumored to be included. But when unboxing the Z Fold 4, it is not included, so you would have to buy it separately.
That's wrong.
The main features of each smartphone are quite similar. The Z Fold 4, however, advances things in a few ways. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the model to acquire if you want to use the most recent high-end foldable phone from Samsung. But let's say you don't care as much about a few enhancements. The Fold 3 is a reliable foldable phone. So what will it be, the Z Fold 4 or the Fold 3? Tell us in the comment section below. Take your thoughts further by checking out the video. Samsung Fold 4 versus S22 Ultra. Camera, battery, and storage review.